Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can animate your text on CapCut Browser. So select the text button here and then add text like so, and I'm just going to type down ocean. It's going to change the font too and resize it like so. You can also change the colors. But I'm just going to stick to, let's see, okay, that isn't very good. Okay, I'm just going to stick to the color white. And then I'm just going to go to animation, and here's where you can add in animations. There is an in animation, an out animation, and a loop one. I like to use the loop one. The super wavy one, there's wave 2. You can also adjust the animation speed. This makes it slower and this makes it quicker, and I like this version. So that's basically how you can add an animation to your text. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!